How to lose weight with the gluten-free diet plan. Weight loss often requires finding a diet plan that aligns with your health needs and lifestyle. A gluten-free diet, initially designed for people with gluten intolerance or celiac disease, has become a popular approach. Eliminating gluten-containing foods like wheat, barley, and rye can improve digestion, reduce inflammation, and make healthier choices. Here, we will explore how to effectively lose weight with the gluten-free diet plan and maintain a balanced, sustainable lifestyle. What is a gluten-free diet? A gluten-free diet excludes foods containing gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, rye, and their derivatives. People with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity follow this diet to avoid adverse reactions. However, even for those without gluten-related issues, adopting a gluten-free diet can encourage healthier eating habits by focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. How a gluten-free diet supports weight loss. 1. Encourages healthier choices. Switching to a gluten-free diet often involves cutting out processed foods like bread, pastries, and pasta, which are high in refined carbohydrates and calories. Replacing these with whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and gluten-free grains helps create a more balanced and nutrient-dense diet. 2. Reduces bloating and water retention. Consuming gluten can cause bloating and water retention in individuals sensitive to it. Eliminating gluten reduces these symptoms, making the body feel lighter and more energized. 3. Enhances digestion. Gluten-free diets often include high-fiber foods like vegetables, fruits, and gluten-free grains like quinoa and brown rice. These foods promote better digestion and support weight loss by improving nutrient absorption and gut health. 4. Promotes mindful eating. Transitioning to a gluten-free diet requires reading labels and being more conscious of food choices. This mindfulness can lead to healthier eating habits and a better understanding of portion sizes, which is crucial for weight loss. Steps to lose weight with the gluten-free diet plan. 1. Eliminate gluten-containing foods. Start by removing all gluten-containing foods from your diet. This includes products made with wheat, barley, rye, and their derivatives. Be mindful of hidden sources of gluten in processed foods, sauces, and snacks. 2. Focus on whole foods. Build your meals around naturally gluten-free whole foods. Incorporate a variety of vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, legumes, nuts, seeds, and gluten-free grains like quinoa, millet, and brown rice. These foods are nutrient-rich and support healthy weight loss. 3. Opt for gluten-free alternatives. If you crave traditional gluten-containing foods, look for gluten-free alternatives such as bread, pasta, and crackers. However, be cautious, as some gluten-free products are highly processed and calorie-dense. Check the labels for added sugars and unhealthy fats. 4. Practice portion control. Even gluten-free foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in large quantities. Use portion control to manage your caloric intake. A balanced approach is to fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with gluten-free grains. 5. Avoid overcompensating with processed gluten-free foods. While gluten-free packaged foods can be convenient, many contain sugars, unhealthy fats, and calories. Limit your consumption of these products and prioritize fresh, whole foods instead. 6. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water supports digestion, reduces cravings, and helps flush out toxins. Aim for at least 8–10 glasses of water daily. 7. Incorporate regular exercise. Combine your gluten-free diet with regular physical activity to maximize weight loss. Walking, swimming, strength training, or yoga can boost your metabolism and help you burn calories. Sample gluten-free diet plan for weight loss. Breakfast smoothie made with almond milk, spinach, banana, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. A slice of gluten-free toast with avocado. Mid-morning snack. A handful of mixed nuts and dried fruit, unsweetened. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and a vinaigrette dressing. A side of quinoa or roasted sweet potatoes. Afternoon snack. Fresh vegetable sticks, carrots, celery, and bell peppers, with hummus, dinner-baked salmon with steamed broccoli and a side of wild rice, a small green salad with olive oil and lemon dressing. Evening snack, a bowl of fresh fruit, such as berries or an apple. Tips for success on the gluten-free diet. 1. Plan ahead. Prepare gluten-free meals and snacks in advance to avoid unhealthy choices when you're busy or hungry. 2. Read labels. Check food labels for hidden sources of gluten, such as malt, modified food starch, and soy sauce. 3. Experiment with gluten-free grains. Diversify your meals by incorporating grains like quinoa, millet, amaranth, and buckwheat. 4. Avoid cross-contamination. If you share a kitchen with others, use separate utensils, cutting boards, and toasters to prevent gluten contamination. 5. Stay informed. Learn about gluten-free eating to discover new recipes and better understand your food choices. Potential challenges and how to overcome them. 1. Social situations. Dining out or attending events can be tricky on a gluten-free diet. Research restaurants in advance and communicate your dietary needs. Many establishments now offer gluten-free menus. 2. Expense of gluten-free products. Gluten-free products can be pricier than their regular counterparts. To save money, focus on naturally gluten-free whole foods and cook at home. 3. Limited choices. Adjusting to a gluten-free lifestyle may initially feel restrictive. Explore new recipes and cuisines to keep your meals exciting and diverse. Conclusion: a gluten-free diet can be an effective and healthy way to lose weight when approached mindfully. By focusing on whole, naturally gluten-free foods, practicing portion control, and avoiding processed options, you can achieve your weight loss goals while improving your overall well-being. Remember, consistency and a balanced lifestyle are key to long-term success. If you're new to gluten-free eating or have specific health concerns, consult a healthcare professional or dietitian to ensure your approach is safe and effective. Loudspeaker: let's connect. Share your experience in the comments. Thumbs up like this video and share it with someone looking to like it.